Home is quiet now at last. No halls, no lights, no voices passing fast. Just our breathing, just this space, and time returning at its gentle pace. I step outside, bare feet on the ground. Feel the earth, the steady living sound. And something wakes inside of me again, something no machine could ever understand. There is a wisdom, quiet and true, as if healing was always there, waiting to come through. Nature knows what we need. She holds us when we're too weak to breathe. In every leaf, in every breath, there's a gentle strength that outlives death. Maybe we forgot for too long what body, mind, and soul belong. But when we learn again to feel and trust, healing finds its way back to us. Not every answer lives in a plan. Not every strength comes from the hands of man. Sometimes the way back home begins in silence, patience, and listening within. A cup of tea, the morning sun, warm hands, slow days, and time to run. And slowly hope begins to grow, that healing is deeper than what we know. Not fighting the body every day, but understanding what it tries to say. Nature knows what we she heals in quiet, tenderly, when we give her space again. She reminds us of our strength within. When knowledge and trust finally meet, and the whole human being is seen complete, then fear can soften, peace can grow, and illness becomes a path we learn to know. What if health is something more than numbers, charts, and what they're for? What if healing starts the day we live in balance again, our own true way? Nature carries without demand, patient through time, with a steady hand. And maybe real healing begins right here, in presence, kindness, and letting go of fear. When we remember how to feel instead of only trying to heal, hope turns slowly into life again, and survival becomes living in the end.